Hello there, everybody. Welcome on into today's video. Greatly appreciate you taking time out of your day. Swing on over and check it on out. I do have the second part of the MVs for CLC here for the Throwback series we got going on. Was not prepared for the back half of that first set of MVs, which makes me even scareder. Is that even a word? I don't think so. For this part, because I did get a few warnings on a few of these songs. So here we are. Still 4, like I said. I got 4. I do know for a fact that I have missed MVs. Don't worry, I understand. But I only do 8 total. So I have to pick and choose, and I base it off of your recommendations. I feel like I get that every single time I do one of these, that I miss videos. Yeah, I fully aware. And I am sorry that I can't get to all of them, or I would just have no time whatsoever. So yeah. Other than that, that's just a little mini news rant. There is no other news besides I am going on vacation starting Sunday. So I will hopefully have the next Throwback series, which is Kara, coming up. That will be during the week I'm on vacation. So yeah, so I will have some videos for you guys while I am away and enjoying the woods. So yeah, touching some grass, enjoying the woods, sitting by a lake. That's my life for a week, which is going to be fantastic for me because I need it. But yeah, no news. That was it. Done. Over with. Let's go. We have No, we have Me, we have Devil, we have Helicopter, which is their last song, comeback song. So those are the 4 we have today. And there are CCs, which is fantastic. Yeah, other than that, we're just going to jump right in. Let's go. Okay, why are there likes? I'm scared.
Red lip, no. Earrings, no. High heel, no. Handbag, no.
What the
Red
fuck?
lip, no.
What is this beat?
No. High heel, no. Handbag, 그렇게 뻔한 것 말고 다른 걸 가져와 내게 제일 어울리게.
What the fuck?
방법은 말고 멋대로 망쳐봐 내가 제일 날 수 있게. 날 걱정하는 척날 가르치는 너 그만해도 돼 입만 아프니까 좀 차가운 네 말투 잘
Sword,
어울리는
please.
난 너를 위해 바꾸지 않지. 난 빛이 나 자 이리 와 여기 봐 나를 봐 또 신이 나
Rap is so good.
난 빛이 나 자 이리 와 여기 봐 나를 봐또 신이 나 난 이쁘다 미친 나 I love me I like it
Okay.
내게
What?
제일 어울리는 lipstick I love me walk like me 하고 싶은 red lip now
What is this beat?
now high heel now handbag now red lip
No is right. Nope.
high heel now handbag now 싫으면 말까 다른 데 알아봐 입맛에 맞을 수 있는 장수 섹시기
I had right for concerns.
그말 하나로 날 변할 수 없어
Questionable. Her rap is very good. Love it. Ooh, that drop.
가방, no. 화장, 청순 no 섹시 no 애교 no 착한 척
I love that. That's awesome.
red lip no red lip no earring no
What the hell was that? Hold, please. What? What? Okay. All right. Well, I wasn't expecting like a reggae fusion / like house beat today, but here we are. What? Oh, wait. Shit. Is that? No, maybe it's me. Okay. Here, little mini, not rant, but little mini words. Was that the song that Soyeon wrote for them and produced for them? Or is it me? I know Soyeon did, and then because I remember it was in like an I-DLE vlog, where she said that she wrote a song for them and then gifted them the copyright to the song. And I'm wondering if that was the one or if it's me. Fuck. I'm gonna have to look it up. If you know, let me know. But I do remember her saying that in like a little log that she had way back. Guys, I did like my own like mini deep dive of I-DLE when I first started K-pop. Like I spent like 3 months just watching all of the content. So like there's lots of like little weird information in my brain that sometimes just randomly appears about I-DLE. So here we go. But yeah, no, I'm pretty sure, was that it? It was either No or Me, because I remember it was a very short title. I want to say it was that one. That sounded like it would be something that Soyeon would write or produce. Yeah. Okay. And then we have Me. Good gosh. Who's the blonde? I love her rap. I always forget. Okay, stop. Oh my god, she looks gorgeous. Ooh. Soyeon. Sorn. Maybe it was this that Soyeon did. Another like house trap beat. Hell. I love her rapping. Who is she? I'm gonna have to look it up. Beat. What the What are these outfits? I love that CLC. That's cool. Elkie looks gorgeous. Ooh. That was very cool. Yo. What now? I don't think that was. Hold on. Before we get to double, I don't think that was. I mean, it could have been Soyeon that wrote that song. I don't think it was though. I think it's no. It might, now that I'm thinking about it, I think it was no. But also that song, so good. One, who's the blonde? I'll find out before you guys see this video, but I will find out because I'll probably be doing the B-sides before this post. Two, Elkie looks gorgeous in this video. They all do. But I was like, Elkie in the white dress, I was like, damn. Okay. My word. Oh, is this where we get the blonde sword moment? Is that when it starts as Devil? My word. I follow her on Instagram and it's the funniest thing. She is hilarious. Some of the videos that she has up there. So funny. But yeah, no. Okay, Devil. CC's? Yeah. Sweet. Good. Devil. I have concerns. What? Oh, look, we have... Who's who? Fantastic. Love that. I love her tone. Oh, wait, she's the one that did, Thing was Sua, right? Yeah. Move, right? I like the beat to the song. Or bass. Oh, Elkie. Ooh, yep. Ian? She's no longer blonde, okay. I do love her tone. You been? Yeah, I remember. I now remember. Her and Sua, no. That was a dangerous time for me. Okay. 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 Oh. Now she's pink hair? I'm so confused. All their voices are so good. Cube did them so fucking dirty. My goodness. They're all stunning too. Cube, what did you do? Did they even have a world tour? I don't even think they did. Because by this time, I-DLE had already debuted, right? Yes, because it's 2020. So yeah, I-DLE's been out for a couple years now. So, but still, like they didn't. I just don't feel. I feel like they probably, knowing Cube, they did not do any promotion whatsoever. Cube is the worst at promoting their groups. Literally, they need better, like, social media, like people. They need everything. Because my word, they have such good groups that they're just trash. Oh boy, I am loving all these songs. They're all so good. I was not expecting that for the beat, though, for the title being Devil. I was expecting a harder rock song, to be completely honest. So it was a nice little switch up. But also I love the switch at the end with the black outfits and the darker lighting versus the beginning of the video, which I was like all like kind of like cute and like bright lights, bright outfits, and then like switch. All right, this is their final, right? This is their last MV/comeback. Damn, that sucks. So I know the English version of this song. Like I said, I don't know this version, the original version. I just know the English version. That's it. This is so loud. Oh, no. Nope, nope.
I go up, helicopter, then I make a noise for the takeoff. I go up, helicopter, never give up. Like a pilot. 난 그려내 작은 호기심부터 시작한 내 grip 속에 누구나 아는 건 없어. 조금 어려운 걸 더.
So good. She's also gorgeous. Oh no. You all know I have some sucker for a rapper. Outfits, what? Last comeback and they went this hard. Holy shit. The tone. Man. Who else? just love the beat to this song so much.
Helicopter, never give up. I'm a pilot. Here we go now. Where we go now?
She's gonna be dangerous to my health. Same, both of them.
Where we go now? I go up, helicopter.
Sing it. Let's go.
Gonna take off. I go up, helicopter, never give up.
These transitions are insane.
내게 몰아칠 바람 so danger. 유혹하듯 내게서 terrorize. Helicopter,
Whoever's doing the run in the background, goodness.
I'm a pilot.
Our Cube did them so dirty. So dirty. The journey never ends. Ari. Oh. Oh no. That was. I mean, technically, yes, they aren't producing any music, but was it Soren who said that they haven't like disbanded? They're still like a group, but Cube has halted all like stuff for them. I don't even fucking know anymore. Oh my word! But that was just hurt. Like I can, if you have been with them for like what 8 years plus, that must have like hurt so bad seeing that journey never ends, and then you're like blink blink, but that was the end. Oh my, I love every single one of those songs. So good. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure, actually, I'm just gonna look it up right now because I am now curious. 'Cause I could have sworn it's gotta be no. It's gotta be for I think that's the only one. Right? Yes. Yeah, she wrote. Soyeon wrote, but she gave the copyright to CLC. She's just a sweetheart. I love them. I loved all those songs. Also, I can't wait to get to their B-sides. I knew I was probably gonna like them, just because I don't know. I just kind of had a feeling. Just based off of what I've heard from Soren, I figured I'd probably like them too if she had any similar, like if it was anything similar to CLC, like her stuff. In a way it is. But yeah, no, can't wait. And then I have lives too. Oh God, are they gonna wreck me in the lives? Probably. I think I have a dance practice in there too. I don't know, I have like 6 videos in that playlist, and then I have like, I do have 9. I did count. I have 9 on the B-side, so yay. And I can't wait to hear those and see what those are all about. But anyways, thank you guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you for voting for them. I mean, we're gonna get to them at some point anyways, but how, you know how the voting now works, we're gonna vote on 4 and then those 4 will be done, but it's just a matter of order that they're being done in. It's about basically like a month's worth though. Yeah, so thank you. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will check you on that next one later.